Hello everyone, welcome back to Little Hands Homeschooling YouTube channel. Alphabet letter K. K is for koala. K is for koala. The sound for letter K is k, k. The sound for letter K is k, k. K is for koala. Let's learn other words starting with letter K and sound k. And let's learn more about koala. K is for koala. K, k, koala. Koalas live in Australia. Do you know about Australia? There are 7 continents in the world and one of the continent is Australia. So, koalas live in Australia. Let's repeat the sound with me. K, k, koala. K is for kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. K, kangaroo. Koalas share Australia with kangaroos. Let's repeat the sound and say with me. K, kangaroo. K, k, kangaroo. K is for kookaburra. K is for kookaburra. K, k, kookaburra. Kookaburras live there too. Means kookaburras also live in Australia. K is for kingdom. K is for kingdom. K, k, kingdom. K, k, kingdom. A koala chooses a patch of trees to rule over. Let's repeat the sound and say with me. K, k, kingdom. K, k, kingdom. So, the patch of trees is the kingdom of koalas. K is for kids. K is for kids. K, k, kids. Baby koalas are called joys. K is for keep close. K is for keep close. K, keep. K, keep. They stay snug in their mother's pouch. K is for no. K is for no. Like we say, I know, you know, everybody knows. So, K is silent here. So, that's why we will say no. K is for no. Koalas know all about the animals. Below, look, dingoes. K is for keep away. K is for keep away. K, k, keep. Koalas like to live on their own. Let's repeat the sound and say with me. K, k, keep. K, k, keep. K is for kind. K is for kind. K, kind. In Australia, people plant trees for koalas to eat. So that was all about koalas and words starting with letter K. So can you tell me what you have learned today? Yes, K is for keep away. K is for kookaburra. K is for no. K is for kids. K is for kangaroo. K is for kind. And K is for kingdom. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.